Hello, family. Welcome to a Slack Tube. I'm a mom of 2 and 5 beautiful girls, and this is me on a Saturday morning trying to do some general cleaning as I always do on weekends because my weekdays are very busy. So, this is me right there mopping the floor of my hall. Sorry for the background flashlight or whatever. So this is me cleaning the windows now. That is why I left the curtains open. And here I was done with the mopping and cleaning of the windows. I had to clean every surface in the hall. Nigerians will say parlor, we say hall. I believe both is correct. So this is me cleaning some of the surfaces. So this thing, we had to place it there just to block the sockets for the TV because the kids try to play around it until we fix something better. This is what we are using temporarily. So this is their mini play mats. I always place it on the floor in the center of the hall floor so that they can be sitting on it. And this is one of my favorite air fresheners. I just try to spray it around after cleaning every day. I use it all over the house, both kitchen, hall, bedroom, everywhere. So here I was trying to clear everything in the chairs. You know, when you have kids around, everywhere is just scattered in a mess. And there is always work and happiness. I love dancing. I don't know how to dance, guys, but I love dancing. Immediately I hear music playing, it's either I dance in my mind or I do it actually. I do it practically. So yeah, this is me practically doing the dance. Work and happiness is really important, and it's a way of exercising, I believe so. So yeah, I'm still doing the clearing of the hall, trying to make the place clean and tidy. So this is me taking in water because I was sweating a lot. The weather was very hot, so I had to hydrate my system. And I also continued with the dancing here. Hey, go me. Hey, shake your bum bum, shake your bum bum, shake your bum bum, shake. So yes, they were playing Kwame Yuju's song Oluwade for me. I really love that song, so I was trying to dance to it. Yeah, in everything you have to give thanks to God. So enjoy me as I clean the house.
Thank you so much for watching. See you guys later.
Yes, thank you so much for watching.